Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is Aditya Prajapati and you are watching Adi English Wala. And today I am going to talk about this smartphone. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this is everything for you if you want to improve in English language, if you want to become perfect, if you want to be fluent. This is everything. This is what you need. You don't need any teacher. You don't need any friend. You don't need anything. Why am I saying this? This is everything because I also have used it in a very good manner. I also have learned English by using only this. I did not go any classes. I did not join any paid courses. I did not join any conversation groups. I just used YouTube. That is why I'm saying just use a smartphone in good manner. You are going to hit this language. You are going to learn anything. Just you need to use it in a very good manner, in a perfect manner, in a helping manner. Not you don't have to use it in a bad manner. You don't have to watch other things. You just have to watch English related videos. You just have to watch English related content. And this is the only thing which will make you perfect. Why am I saying this? Why am I emphasizing on this sentence again and again? Because this is everything. If we want to learn anything in this world, we can learn, we can do. If we want to learn any skill, any language in the world, we can by using this smartphone at our home. We don't need to go outside. We don't need to go outside for practicing. We don't need anything. Just need a smartphone only. Guys, just use it in a good manner. What do you have to do? Only you have to use YouTube for learning this language. Only you have to use YouTube. Guys, YouTube is that platform where you can learn anything in this world. You can become an IAS officer if you are using it in a good manner. Why am I saying this? Because many have become by using YouTube, because they are just studying by using YouTube in a good manner. They are using YouTube. They are studying whatever they want. And guys, this is just a language. This is just a language. And English language. English language is easy for us because we come from India, because we belong to India. That is why I'm saying English is easy for us, because we are taught English as a subject in our education system. English language, actually English subject is a compulsory subject. In fact, English is very easy. English is a piece of cake. Just enjoy the process. You need to enjoy the process. Until you enjoy the process, everything becomes boring, everything becomes tough. And guys, let me tell you, if anyone is making fun of you while speaking, if anyone is saying Angrez zyada Angrez mat ban, Angrez ki aulad, these kinds of comments, if they are faking these kinds of comment on you, you don't have to believe on these kinds of comment. You don't have to care about this. You don't have to care about the public. Just care about yourself. Just care about what you are doing. Just care about what you want to achieve. Because guys, those people who used to make fun of you, once they are just making fun of you until you learn this language, until you become perfect. Once you become perfect, they will clap for you. They will clap for you. मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूं? मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं कि जस्ट इस फोन को अच्छे से यूज करो और आप परफेक्ट बन जाओगे. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर कॉन्फिडेंस, you can watch my videos. You can definitely, you must watch my videos. I am running a series of learning English. I am running a series of vlogging. I have to speak. I have taken challenge that I have to speak in public places for 100 days. You have to check those videos. You have to watch. You should definitely watch. How am I speaking? One day I was not able to speak at all. One day I did not have confidence. I used to be afraid while speaking, but now I am not afraid anymore. I'm not afraid of speaking in front of the public. I'm not afraid to speak English anywhere. I can speak. You can watch on my videos. You can watch my on my vlogs. In my vlogs, you can definitely watch. You, if you want proof, you can watch my videos. How am I speaking in public? And guys, many will support you. Many guys will support you. वो कहते हैं ना कि once you have started something different, just try your best and the universe will help you. Guys, this is what I found when I was not making videos. When I took this challenge, I used to think this will be very tough for me. This is what I cannot do. I will not be able to speak publicly. But once I made, once I sought my vlog, once I sought my single vlog, I found many guys are supporting, many guys are helping, many guys are helping. They are not letting me down. They are not making me feel bad. They are just helping me. Many guys are supporting, many guys are subscribing my channel. Many guys, many old men are saying you are doing good, you are perfect, you are doing your best. That is why I'm saying just try your best. Just do whatever you want. You don't have to stop. You can achieve anything in this world. You can achieve. So guys, I think you have got the point. What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? What do I say? You have understood everything. I know. So guys, if you really want to learn this language, if you really want to be perfect in this language, if you really want to become fluent and speak in front of the public, in front of anyone, you definitely need to start watching English related videos. I already have uploaded so many videos related to English speaking tips. I have given all the tips. Just have a confidence. No one is going to kill you. No one is going to kill you. And let me tell you one truth, one psychology. Everyone thinks that everyone is looking at me. This is called, we are just putting ourselves, we are just thinking that we are on the spotlight, but this is nothing like that. No one cares about anyone. No one cares. We are just only thinking in our mind that everyone is looking at me. No, not at all. They are just thinking whatever they are thinking. I mean, whatever they want, they are thinking just in their mind. But we are thinking like he or she is just looking at me. He or she is just thinking about us. No, not at all. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Guys, you can do whatever you want. I will show you. I will show you. So I think you have found this video helpful. If you found this helpful, so you have to like this video and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. You have to do it. Have a good day. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.